Have you ever wondered what would happen if you did 100 push-ups a day for an entire year? It sounds challenging, but the results might surprise you. In this video, we'll explore how a simple daily habit can transform not just your body but also your mindset. Imagine building strength, discipline, and confidence with just a few minutes a day. Stick around, because today, you'll discover the real impact of 365 days of dedication. The idea behind this challenge is simple yet powerful. Do 100 push-ups every day, without interruptions, for a full year. No special equipment, no need for a gym, just you, your determination, and a few daily minutes. At first, it might seem easy, but soon you'll realize that consistency is the real challenge. In the early days, your muscles complain, and motivation may waver. After all, creating a new habit requires overcoming the initial resistance of both body and mind. Why 100 push-ups? Because it's a number that's challenging but achievable. It's the kind of goal that pushes you out of your comfort zone without being intimidating. For some, it might be split into smaller sets throughout the day. For others, it's one intense session. No matter your fitness level, the most important thing is the daily commitment. This journey isn't just about muscles. It's about discovering how consistency in something seemingly simple can deliver impressive results. Now that you know the plan, let's dive into what happens to your body and mind over this year of transformation. Breaking down the year. First month, the challenge begins. The first 30 days are undoubtedly the toughest. Your body is still adapting to the routine, and muscle soreness becomes part of your new reality. It's common to feel heavier arms or notice that push-ups feel harder some days. But there's good news. Progress comes quickly. By the end of the first week, movements that once felt exhausting start to feel more natural. Your strength noticeably improves, especially in the chest, shoulders, and triceps. Plus, your stamina begins to increase, bringing a small but motivating sense of accomplishment. First quarter, visible changes begin. After 3 months, you've moved past the initial adaptation phase, and the benefits start to pile up. Visually, your body shows signs of transformation. There's more muscle definition in your chest and arms, and your posture is better aligned thanks to a stronger core. Beyond the physical, your mindset begins to shift. The discipline required to meet the daily challenge starts to spill over into other areas of your life. You might find yourself more productive at work, more confident, and more resilient when facing challenges. Halfway through, solidifying the results. Reaching the 6-month mark feels like hitting the turning point. By now, push-ups are no longer just an exercise. They're a natural part of your routine. The initial effort is replaced with consistency and flow. Physical gains continue to impress. Your body is stronger and more proportionate, and your muscles seem to respond faster to stimulation. On top of that, your metabolism speeds up, helping with fat burning and boosting daily energy levels. Mentally, you also notice a difference. The sense of responsibility for your daily challenge teaches you to stay committed and resilient, even on tough days. End of the year, total impact. By the time you complete the 365 days, you look back and realize how far you've come. The physical change is evident. More developed muscles, improved functional strength, and a body that handles everyday tasks more effectively. But the real impact goes beyond the mirror. The daily practice of push-ups reinforces the idea that small, consistent actions can lead to extraordinary results. This lesson applies to every area of life, from professional goals to relationships and mental health. More than that, the experience teaches you the importance of pushing past your own limitations and believing in the power of consistency. Benefits beyond the physical. While the physical results are the most obvious, the benefits of this challenge go far beyond what you see in the mirror. One of the first noticeable impacts is on your mental health. The daily practice of a simple exercise like push-ups helps release endorphins, which improve mood and reduce stress. Over time, you'll notice a significant boost in your self-confidence. It's not just because of a more defined physique, but also the feeling of keeping a promise to yourself every single day, even when the day is tough or motivation is low. Additionally, the discipline built during this challenge begins to impact other areas of your life. You may feel more organized at work, more determined to pursue personal goals, and even more patient in day-to-day situations. There's also the benefit of mental clarity. This daily moment dedicated to push-ups becomes a time to reconnect with yourself, something incredibly valuable in a world full of distractions. So, while your muscles grow, your mind gets stronger too. It's a complete transformation. showing that the physical and mental aspects go hand in hand on this journey. Questions and answers. It's normal to have questions when considering a challenge like this, so let's address some of the most common ones. Do I have to do all 100 push-ups at once? No, you can split them into sets throughout the day. For example, 4 sets of 25 or 10 sets of 10. The important thing is to complete the 100 daily, regardless of how they're divided. What if I can't do traditional push-ups? If you're just starting, you can modify them. Do push-ups on your knees or against a wall. As you gain strength, progress to traditional variations. Is this challenge safe? For most people, yes, but it's important to listen to your body. If you feel pain beyond normal muscle discomfort, consider adjusting the intensity or consulting a health professional. What muscles do push-ups work? They primarily strengthen the chest, triceps, shoulders, and core, but also help stabilize other parts of the body, like the glutes and legs. With these answers, you have everything you need to start. Completing a challenge like this isn't just about building a stronger body. It's about transforming your mind and life. Doing 100 push-ups a day for a year teaches that consistency in small actions can lead to extraordinary results. What matters most isn't how many muscles you build or how much strength you gain, but the mindset you develop along the way. You discover that you're capable of more than you imagined, that discipline can be your greatest ally, and that big changes start with small steps. If you're thinking about starting, remember, there's no need to wait for the perfect moment. Start today, with what you have, where you are. Because in the end, the greatest benefit isn't physical. It's the pride of becoming the best version of yourself. If you enjoyed this content and want more tips on transforming your life with daily habits, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new challenges. Also, leave a comment sharing what goal you're determined to achieve. Let's go on this journey of growth together. See you in the next video.